Tzatziki sauce. It's an easy recipe. Homemade is always better. Let's start with a lot of fresh dill and chop that up really finely. Once that's set, we'll set it aside. I like cucumber. Now, this is a little bit of a debate. You can either peel it or you can leave it unpeeled. Tonight I'm doing it unpeeled. And if you'd like, throw it through your cheesecloth and you could drain all that water out. I am old school, lazy tonight. I am not draining or nor peeling anything. All right, we'll add in some Greek yogurt. I'm using approximately 4 tablespoons here, a dash of pepper, a couple of teaspoons of garlic, and some olive oil. I'll add back in that fresh chopped dill and give it a mix. And then, of course, I'm going to come back in and add in my chopped cucumbers, mix that right up, and it is already homemade, delicious tzatziki sauce. Do me a favor as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and throw a comment down below once you've tried this easy recipe. Follow along for more great recipes on how to make easy homemade dishes. Boom.